everyone, welcome back to our channel Statisticians Hub. Today we are going to talk about functions in Python programming. So before heading forward, let me introduce myself. My name is Mampi Burman and I am currently enrolled as an MSc Statistics student at Assam University, Silchar. Let us know what are functions. Functions are nothing but a block of codes that performs a specific task. In simple words, we can say that functions are like recipes in cooking. Just as a recipe tells us how to make a dish step by step, a function tells our computer how to perform a specific task. There are two types of functions. The first is a standard library functions. These are built-in functions in Python that are available to use. These library functions are defined inside the module. For example, print function, square root function, power function, etc. And the other function is a user-defined function. These are the functions which are created by the programmer based on his or her requirements. What are the benefits of using functions? The first benefit is code readability. Functions help us to break our code into chunks to make our program readable and easy to understand. And the other benefit is code reusability. We can use the same functions multiple times in our program, which makes our code reusable. Now I will show you an example of functions in Python. In this example, we define a function called addNumbers that takes two parameters a and b. Here, addNumbers is a user-defined function, so instead of writing addNumbers, you can give any other name. Inside the function, we add numbers a and b together and store the result in the variable sum. We then use the return keyword to send the result back to the part of the code that call the function. Now, we call the function addNumbers with arguments 4 and 5 and use print function to print the result. Here, print function is a standard library function. Now, if we run the code, the result we get is 9. So that's all for today. Thank you.